Hi there, and welcome to the masterclass/challenge that is going to change the way you approach your university life. This month's challenge is going to be a 30-day university time management transformation. This is going to be your ticket to mastering all of the time management skills that are going to help you really excel in your post-secondary career. Whether you are a fresh-faced freshman or a seasoned student or a mature student returning after years and years of being in the workforce or just outside of the academic realm, this challenge is going to be your opportunity to unlock your full potential. Think about how much easier things would be if you could just get your time and your schedule in order. Studying and acing exams, getting your assignments handed in on time, all of these things, and still having time for family, work, and pursuing your passions is going to help you to keep your stress levels in check. So what's in store for you for this 30-day challenge? Well, we're going to have 4 incredible weeks of transformation. We're going to tackle procrastination. We're going to fine-tune your schedule. We're going to boost your motivation and even master the art of self-care, all in a way that is relatable and actually effective, because we're going to be doing this together. We're going to be doing this step by step. We're going to take it 1 week at a time, and we're going to perfect our strategy. This is going to take the entire month, and we are going to be working on this in incremental steps. So it is important that you understand it is not an overnight miracle or a one-size-fits-all cure that I am promising you, because we're all unique and different, and we all have different obligations, different responsibilities, different passions, and different focuses in life. So this is going to be a customizable strategy. As we go through, we're going to be experimenting and optimizing and getting your schedule absolutely perfect for you. It's all about understanding goals and crafting this unique plan to become the true captain of your own ship, of your own vessel that's going to propel you to your hopes and dreams and wherever it is that you are aiming to go. So I hope you are interested and ready to join this incredible adventure with me. This is a live adventure that is going to be posted inside the Absolutely Studying Academy for September. And when you do have your membership, you will be able to access it in perpetuity. So it will be available forever after that if you are catching this after September. And again, in the Absolutely Studying Academy, you will also be able to unlock a whole bunch of other members-only resources. So there are monthly master classes, and you'll be able to access the whole library. There is a Facebook community and live study sessions, live events, and they are all geared toward making you a better student and solidifying this community and making sure that you have the resources to excel in what it is that you are working towards, and having the support system to do it. So if you are ready to seize control of your time and your schedule and actually have time to study and live your post-secondary life to the fullest, join me in this challenge in the Absolutely Studying Academy, your destination for ongoing growth. Don't miss out on this opportunity. It's going to transform your academic journey. There is a link in the description below if you are not already part of the Absolutely Studying Academy, and that will help you to sign up and join the challenge. We are starting September 1st. And like I said, if you are watching this a little bit late, you will still be able to get a hold of all of the replays, all of the resources, the workbook, the challenge book, all of that. That's it for today. I will see you on the other side when we launch week 1. And until then, I hope you have an amazing adventure.